would want to help these fiscally constrained counties. The legislatures typically wanted to do that. We may be seeking better cost share as well. But yeah, there's going to be things that are going to need to be taken care of, and these are the counties along that Big Bend. They just have very small budgets, and expenses like this are not things that they could absorb the way some of our wealthier counties could.
I just saw actually that there was an oak tree that fell on the governor's mansion in Tallahassee. And was your wife?
Yes, this may not have been something I had planned. However, this may not have been something that I have planned. However,
That's just going to be more room for my kids to hit baseballs in, and so in some respects for us, even though the tree was nice, we'll probably make do and just be quite all right.
All right, take two.
So I'll let Kevin do. I've spoken with a number of the main chains who had closed hospitals in the Tampa Bay area. They're all doing very, very well.
Yes, this may not be something that I have planned, but however, just for the fun of it, there is one man who has been creating a very amazing manga series based on the reincarnation of Son Goku himself. That's right. That's right. That's right. We're gonna draw the reincarnation of Goku himself, Goku Jr. All credit for this idea goes out to Tyler Needham, the creator of Monster Quest, Pokemon GX, and the newly favorite Dragon Ball 100. This series takes place 100 years in the future. My buddy Ty, he's been working on drawing Goku Jr. in his Super Saiyan form. This may not be something that I have... Okay, take two. Three. This may not be something that I have planned in the... Alright, let's get started. Anyway, Goku Jr. is Goku's great-grandson, and, well, yes, there was this... And according to what my buddy Ty's been working on, he's been working hard to create a series based on the original Dragon Ball GT movie. Ty, if you're watching this, I hope you enjoy this. Anyway, my buddy Ty's been working on this. My buddy Ty's been working on the Super Saiyan form for Goku Jr. And that's what I'm drawing next. Anyway, Goku Jr. has Bardock's headband, and he has Goku's fighting spirit. And for some reason, he wears Goku's new gi, his new suit. Ty's been working on this Super Saiyan 5 form for Goku Jr. and Vegeta Jr. Only it's a lot different. Its claws are more... It has claws and more teeth. It's sort of a reboot version for Super Saiyan 5.
Will be reopening this afternoon at 4 p.m. for arriving flights. Full reopening of that airport begins tomorrow morning.
Anyway, that's how you draw Goku Jr. But now we're gonna skip forward and move on to Vegeta Jr. Interesting, huh?
Keep the turn on for Bullet, especially if we still have a storm that's hitting Georgia and the Carolinas, because we don't know the scope of the damage.
Anyways,
We can't get out there in some of these
in Dragon Ball 100, Goku Jr. has taken on thousands of strong, powerful enemies like Jafarjin, Perfect Purunga, Goku Black Jr., Emperor Frozen, and some of these fighters, they are a lot different than the ones that Goku originally fought in the past. I think Goku Jr. is going to fight Eyes next.
We still have a lot of storm to cover, and we have emergency flash flooding in Georgia, and they have a hurricane on their doorstep, and they have emergency managers trying to figure out what they're going to do with their residents and make sure everyone is safe. So, that's my takeaway, is just because this is downgraded to a 1, and it's kind of made its landfall, it's not over yet.
And this harkens back to the 1960s and Hurricane Camille, which came up through the Gulf. But again, it's the rainfall. We were talking about that in the beginning of the show, that rainfall totals of 4 to 8 inches expected in Georgia and South Carolina, but more people recently died
There we
from
are.
rainfall flooding than from the actual flooding, from the saltwater flooding.
Right, it's that ancillary risk that is so devastating to so many. I think about how, really, a year after Hurricane Katrina, I spent my spring break volunteering with God's Katrina Kitchen.
All credit for this idea goes out to Tyler Needham. And to be honest, after looking over Goku Jr. and him talking about how awesome Goku Jr. was, I started to take a liking to it. I wonder if there's going to be a new form for Goku and Vegeta Jr. I think there should be a new... well, we saw Super Saiyan 6 on Unreal Gaming. I wonder, do you think we should come up with an idea called Super Saiyan 7? If so, what does it look like? Should it... let's see. I think I saw Super Saiyan 7 on Unreal Gaming. Maybe we can draw that and make it more us. Freeman and Needham style. I feel like we saw Super Saiyan 8. There's 9. Super Saiyan 10. Ooh, what about Super Saiyan 11? That'd be a new fusion. That'd be something new. Ty, if you're watching this, I hope you're having a good time watching. Anyway, there we are. Now we just draw the rest of his hair. And done. There he is. That's how you draw Goku and Vegeta Jr. from Dragon Ball 100. All credit for this idea goes out to Tyler Needham. I hope you enjoyed it, buddy. And good luck on your next adventure. Ty, if you're watching this, I'm proud of how strong you've become. And I hope that one day your TV show becomes real.